कब तक चलेगा यार ये? Bro, it's been so long that I've spoken to you. Bro, online lectures चालू हो गए and I feel so good. यार, I'll tell you honestly, man, ये online lectures में भी बोर होने लगा है. Bro, I think now all of us should be informed citizens and just like watch the news on a regular basis. Hello, सुन. Do not watch the news. तेरे डीलर को भी बोल दे देखने का जरूरत नहीं है न्यूज. Bro, I learned to speak French. I can speak like fluent French. You wanna see? Wait for it. You won't understand. Jamapel Ishan. Bro, I cannot wait to meet you, bro. Acha, bro, listen na. Give me some series recommendations na.
फ्रेंड्स देख ले.
I've seen that.
ससुराल से
I've seen that also.
तारक मेहता bro. Breaking Bad देख ले.
Yep,
Breaking
I've seen
Bad
that
bro.
also.
Watch The Office.
Oh, I saw this in another language. Like, what does your sleep schedule look like? Mine is a little unconventional. See, I have a lecture at 8. So I sleep at 5. I get 3 hours of sleep and then pura din I sleep. What? You sleep at 10 p.m.? Do you have COVID? Why do you sleep at 10 p.m.? Are you old? What? It's good to get 8 hours of sleep. Haha, that is fine. If you are old. Oh, I'm pretty sure I must be disturbing you as it's 6 p.m. Is it already your dinner time? You eat food at 7 and you go to sleep at 10. Acha, cool. I'll go. I can't relate with all of this.
This YouTuber out.
हाँ क्या? I've not.
ईशान करके है bro.
Acha, the videos are supposed to be really good.
बाप funny bro. बाप funny
Okay,
है.
cool. I'll watch him. I'll watch his videos on YouTube. Bro, I don't understand what ma'am teaches, man. I mute her most of the time only. Yeah, bro. I mute myself. What do you mean she's saying I should stop listening to WAP? I wasn't. How did she come to know? I mean, I wasn't listening to it, but how did she come to know? No, bro. I don't listen to WAP and all that stuff. I don't know what you're talking about. Bro, I'll tell you, I'm being very productive. I've joined like this digital marketing ka course and I've been reading this book. Why are you... Oh. Yeah, you like interning and stuff. And you work out also. Acha. What is the book about? Nothing, dude. Nothing. It's not that interesting. Yeah. It's a romantic comedy. It's a romantic comedy. That's what it is. Yeah. No. Why will I read anything else? Hey guys, so I know you follow my page because I'm a part-time fashion blogger and a full-time therapist. Now I know, aside from a few students who are going to be playing KBC with their final year exam, some of y'all will need to go out and give physical examination. Now I've put together a look for you that is my COVID protector look. Now I know it's not going to protect you guys from anything, but if I can be a part-time therapist and a full-time shitty-ass blogger, why can I not be a part-time doctor also? I mean, I'm charging you guys less, so it's obviously more better. So this is what this look will consist of. So first step is you need to wear a hoodie. Like anything goes, anything which will like, I don't know, is a hoodie, you know what I mean, will cover you. So either here, I can give you guys two variants. The one with the cap, so if you put it like this, you all of a sudden become like, this adds like a layer to your personality, and half of the time I don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna say words so that you guys watch my shit. And the second variant is without the cap. So I've just shown you guys two variations of this. And again, if you're taking me seriously, you're part of the problem. Now, obviously, if you're going out, you need to accessorize. So this is my accessory. If you guys see, these are like some specs, shades, I don't know what to call them. And now I'm gonna quote by saying that the eye is the gate to the soul or something. So these are basically your soul protectors. This is not gonna work in real life, but I need to tell you it's gonna work. So guys, you need to if you put all the looks together, it's gonna look like this. So guys, you are completely ready to go. You look like someone who's blind or some shit, but you need to understand that you're protecting your soul. And if you're protecting your soul, you're protecting yourself from COVID also. And again, this has got no scientific backing. I'm just putting words, but you need to believe me because I'm telling you to believe me. Also, another thing, these scientists are saying that this works on your like this. It really doesn't make any difference because you've got the soul protector on. So you could do this, which shows a little bit of skin if you want to be risky. or you could do this so that this shows this much. If you've got a good nose, okay. If you have a ugly ass nose, get it fixed. Okay. I really like the fact that my hair is grown out and it kind of looks good on me. And I'm pretty sure I'll just like continue to grow them out. Who the fuck am I kidding? This is annoying. This is so annoying. I think I need to deal with it. So guys, that's it. Also, did you really expect me to just cut off my hair for a YouTube video? Like, I'm gonna obviously get rid of this or like do something about this. But on a YouTube video, why will I do that? I might like share this with someone who you've met and you've been like awkward for the first 10 minutes because you don't know how this interaction is going. And yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I make 2 or more videos a week and I really appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, liking, doing all of that stuff. I will see you guys in another video. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee because it's raining out and the weather is pretty amazing. Bye!